Welcome to another session of Go Ask Debbie. The Text to Columns feature allows you to use data in another format, such as a text file, and convert it from text into columns so that you can view the data in your spreadsheet and manipulate it from there. This is useful if you have a list of names you want to separate into first and last name columns, for example. So let's see this in action. We're simply going to open this text file that we have in our test file here that you need to download with this module. When you choose File, Open, Excel will look, as a default, it will look to Excel files. So we can click on the drop-down and choose All Files, and then locate any file that you were given that may be in a .txt or .csv format. In this example, we're going to open the text-to-columns.txt file. Excel is going to walk you through a wizard asking you what you'd like to do with this data. So simply follow the wizard, selecting how the data is separated. Either there are spaces or there are commas. Select Next. You'll be able to view what Excel starts trying to do with that data. And then all the way at the end, finally click on the Finish button, and Excel will open that text file or the CSV file as an Excel spreadsheet. Another way to take text to columns is to simply open the text file in Word or any other program that you have that will open text files. Highlight the data, click into the cell where you'd like to paste the data, and either Control-V like Victor to paste it, or right-click and paste the data. Now, if the data doesn't appear how you'd like it to be, in this case we have the first and last names in one column. We can simply select the text, and then select the Data tab from the ribbon. And then we'll select Text to Columns. In the Convert Text to Columns wizard, it's the same wizard we just used when we selected to open the file instead of pasting the data and now converting it. So again, you're going to just select Delimited in this case because it was text. Click on the Next button. Select how the data is divided, tab, space, comma, whatever. You'll see the data in the preview, so you'll know if you're selecting the right delimiter. Hit Next, and if the data is converted properly, you'll just take all the defaults and click Finish. If you prefer to not hit the Finish button, there is another button here called Advanced. If you select the Advanced button, an Advanced Text Import Settings dialog box will open. You can choose your settings for numeric data. So if you'd like, the decimal separator can be different, the thousands separator can be different, etc. You can do a little bit more manipulation with the data. If you choose this option, make your changes, click OK, and then back in the wizard, click Finish. Now you can work with the data that's been separated into the columns. So again, as a review, to change data from text to columns, you can either choose File, Open, and select a different data type to open, and Excel will walk you through the wizard, or paste your data into Excel and then use the Data tab and then the Text to Columns button to change your data from text to columns. There's a couple of ways, so it depends on your preference. You can practice with that on your own and see which you prefer. Thanks for taking this session of Go Ask Debbie. And be sure to subscribe for more tips like this one. And to receive my free ebook that gives this and 65 plus ways to use Office more productively, click on the link in my description down below.